Alright, hopefully you like those day in life videos. This is my route for today. It took me about 2 hours to do my schedule and to do this route. It is 18 locations that we're gonna hit, and we're gonna do something in each of them. So the website that I'm using is amazing. It's MapQuest, and it tells you how long it's gonna take you for your route, how many miles, and very important, how much it's gonna cost you in fuel. Current traffic heavy. It's a great app. It's free. Last time it was very bad because I forgot half the stuff, and now I made a list and we're gonna take everything we need and we want to hit all of the accounts. Alright, I almost forgot the cassette for the ATM refill, but good thing that I read my list and I didn't forget it, which is good. Alright guys, hopefully today is a better video. The weather is shitty, but we need to get this done anyways. As you can see, I did not clean anything here, but don't worry about it. Alright, new lesson. Request coins or money. The bank will not let you get a lot of money or a lot of coins. I got 100, their limit is 200 if they have it, and they gave me just 100 and put a request in another bank, but a request, they said week in advance is the best for money. Also over like $300-400, over $3,000-4,000 do request money, because they don't always have 7 or 10 or 20k. We in the ATM business work in 20s, so if you request 5 or 10 grand in 20s, maybe they don't have this amount. But let's go to the first account. To contact you, but I never have time. I have a decree from the judge. We just want to the first location. How you doing, sir? I got the machine. Just want to clean it up a little bit. How you going, sir? Thank you. We got $6.50, and I'll actually see in just a second on my phone when did I install this account. I kind of didn't do the date. I was thinking to do today, which is the 2nd of February, so the 1st and 2nd and 3rd of February, make a collection, and then basically, drop the camera. Then basically do the same thing next month on the 1st and see how much it went for 1 month. But it maybe was like 2 weeks ago. I'll lie to you. But yeah, I mean, $6.50 for the first one. I'm gonna hit the Dollar Tree for some supplies and stuff, and then we're gonna continue. And there you go. Alright, that was $8.86. Make sure you keep the receipt because that's a tax deduction. Everything I bought today, it is a tax write-off because it is for business purposes. So always keep the receipt, guys. So here's what happened on my map that I mapped very well today. As you know, sometimes things happen in life like that, and it does not let me see the map, so I gotta do it manually. So my work in the morning, about 30 minutes that I was doing and mapping where should I go first down the drain. But fortunately I have the accounts here, so I'm gonna go one by one. Number 2, let's see how this machine went for this, I don't know, it's like 2 weeks or so.
Candyman!
The Candyman. That does not sound creepy at all. Alright. That seemed like a pretty good collection. Pretty good collection for, I don't know how long, a week? 2? I really don't remember, but now I'm gonna time it better. It's less than a month, I'm pretty sure. We got $5, $10, $15, $16.75. That's great, to be honest. Better than the first one. So let's go to the next one. ATM account. I'm gonna refill some money. Hey, how you doing, guys? All right. I mean, it's nice to listen to music, but every now and then Most of the time I listen to an audiobook. Right now I'm listening to RV Living for Beginners. I'm trying to travel in RVing and hashtag van life next year. So yeah, double dip your time kinda, you know. I'm already on the road anyways, I'm doing work, but capitalize on your time even more. Brewery account. And we're gonna clean it up a little bit, split the money and out. I don't know which one is it.
There you go.
I'm very good at this.
How well we've been doing.
So we're getting $63 after split with the owner and after expensing for the merchandise. Did I break this? I got a candy machine only in this one. Let's see how it did. Hi to the owner of the restaurant into the Tesla. He loved it. We made from this account $20.50 and we gave $2 to them, which is our negotiation, our deal. It's 10% for the owner. But let's see if I can get the cashier in the car, because she's pretty cute.
Oh my god, that's so cool.
Zone, because she's 17. So, be careful guys. She looked 18 in 1 month, but she's not. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Or am I? Very awesome dealership or whatever. Somebody else's. And this is me, guys. Okay, let's see. Oh, just $1. Just $1 from that location. Hey, $1 is $1. What you gonna do? I think it's a week that this spot has been, that I installed this spot, but it is what it is. What are you gonna do? It's $1. Almost there, guys. Almost there. Just a little bit, guys. $1, $2, $3 from this account. It's for the coin pusher that is on the marina. Hopefully that makes people more interested in playing. Let's go. Tattoo studio we came the other day to install. The monitor didn't work. Well, it worked and now it doesn't work again. So basically it does work, but the owner turned it off. And I just went to the barbershop to ask if they want a candy machine. He didn't want a candy machine. Okay, cool. To the next. I'm happy that this one works. It's just the owner turned it off. Because I did not know what else to do at this point. I did everything correctly. All right, on to the next. And soon we're gonna have breakfast. It's 3:20. Okay, let's see.
Hello.
What's going on? Just gonna do the machine, clean a little bit, and I'll be out of your way. All right, let's see. 50 cents. All right. It is something. I see you already put those on top. Cool. Let's get it done. One of my meetings canceled, so I have 4 more accounts to see and then go to that meeting. But I'll go tomorrow because the guy is gonna be there tomorrow. I don't need to go to those accounts, so we're gonna cut it here, guys. Let's see how much I got in this one. It's been like maybe 2 months on this one. This is good because I can actually see which one is in most demand. Okay, it seems like it's the Skittles. Alright, and the least are the Gumballs actually. There is peanut M&M, I think. Yeah, peanut M&M, $3.25. The Gumballs are, someone tried to put 5 cents. Gumballs, $3.50, and the Skittles, $12.50. And the total is somewhere on the screen because I cannot calculate it. But that's not bad, not bad. So we're gonna go and collect from the rest of the machines, and we're gonna tally up and see how much we made. Although this is not a whole month for all of the machines. It's one of the 3 remaining accounts. I think there are 3. It's been here for 5 days. Hey buddy, how you doing?
Alright.
I have the machine here, just want to clean it up a little bit. This account has $2.75. I think it was 5 days in, so I don't expect much. And my next account is right here actually, so I'm gonna go directly here if they're open. Oh, they are. What's up, guys? Here for 5 days. I got him at the same time, and he has 1, 2, 375. 375. All right, we have 1 more to go. Okay, that's the last account. Okay. What do we got? $1. $1 good. $1.25. It's been here for like 5 days maybe. That was the last one. $1.25. But it's just 5 days. Maybe not even. I don't really remember. I'm gonna start counting from, you know, this, not month, but like from the 1st or 2nd of the month. So next month we're gonna come again and do a collection. We're gonna see how the whole month performed. And hopefully it performed better. You know, if I make $15 per account, that's great. That's gonna be like $12 or so. Should I include the ATMs or not? I'm not sure, but let's just see the gumballs somewhere on the screen. Ping, right here. Claw machine, ping, and let's do the ATMs, ping, and I don't know why I keep saying ping. So guys, if you like that content, subscribe, like, and leave me a comment. That's it for today. Peace. Actually, there's one more account that is actually the last account that I came yesterday and it was closed. I don't know why. $2.75. It's been there maybe 5 days or 7, something like that. But sure, $2.75, and I'm gonna tally up the whole, you know, the total amount now, somewhere on the screen. Actually, right after I cashed out and I went to do the ATM, fuck, I forgot to do something on the ATM. But yeah, one of the employees went and got another M&Ms, and she requested some gum that is different than the gumballs that I have, so I'm gonna do that. Hopefully you like that content, guys. If you find that video of value, give it a like, comment, and consider subscribing. Hopefully you enjoy those type of videos that are like day in life. You see how, you know, what I do, how I do it. Maybe you get some ideas or some motivation, inspiration, or maybe you think I'm dumb. I don't know. But either way, hope you enjoy the content, and I'll see you next time. Keep hustling.